Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
First, prepare a wallpaper image at the correct resolution for your MacBook Air. Use 2560 x 1600 pixels for a 13.3-inch Air or 2560 x 1664 for newer models. Save the image as JPG or PNG and keep file size under 5 MB. Open Preview to crop or resize and use 1/4 increments when needed. Export at 72 ppi for screen use and open System Settings from the Apple menu at the top left of your screen. Click Wallpaper on the left sidebar or use Desktop and Dock in older Mac OS versions. Click the plus icon and choose Folder to add your wallpapers folder. Select your image and choose Fill Screen, Fit to Screen, or Center options. Use Change Picture to rotate images every 5 minutes, hour, day, or login. Lock in the setting for all users, or set a different wallpaper per user account. Use spaces to assign a different wallpaper per desktop in Mission Control. Open Mission Control with a 3-finger swipe or press Control up arrow. Add a space and then set a unique wallpaper while that space is active. For dynamic wallpapers, pick hike files that change by time or light conditions. If wallpaper looks blurry, choose the image at native resolution or select Fill Screen. Back up your wallpapers folder to iCloud Drive or an external disk regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.